we'll make a powder of it. See here, you can see the peanut has it has become a powder, and now we will grind it till it becomes paste. After 30 seconds you can see that the oil is oozing out of this, and you can see that peanut has become paste. In this meantime you can add some honey also in this for enhancing the taste. We'll add some honey, only 1 teaspoon of honey. One teaspoon of honey goes here. Okay, this is to just enhance the taste. And then again we give it a mix. Transfer the peanut butter into a airtight container, okay, and you can utilize this for 1 month. You can store this for 1 month, okay, and we are not using any preservatives, and it can stay without preservatives also for 1 month, and you can use it daily. See how the oil is shining here, right? So if you can also try this at your home. It just takes max to max 10 minutes in the total preparation. So just in 10 minutes and 10 rupees you are making a product, and which is healthier, which is pure, and without any preservative, and you will have longer shelf life for this. Okay, so if you have liked this video, please do share with your friends, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching Tarang the Wave.